check out how easy it is to future-proof your aggressors with magnets.
Spiky Bits.
Welcome back, Hobby Maniacs. I'm Rob Baer from SpikyBits.com, and we have a tutorial for you today. That's right. I don't do enough tutorials on this channel anymore. But that being said, I'm going to show you how to future-proof your Space Marine Primaris aggressors using magnets. So, you know, when the meta changes, you're not kind of out in the cold. It's actually very easy to do all the same size magnets, 1/8 by 1/16. I don't know what that is right off the top of my head in millimeters, because everybody knows millimeters are very hard to use, and dividing by 1,000 is a terrible idea and so hard to do. Stupid American alert. Anyways, so we're going to take a look at that. I'm going to show you how to do it. It's like I said, it's very easy. And that's pretty much all I got to show you today. So to magnetize these bad boys, it's actually super duper simple. You want to build it up to this point. Well, not this point right here with the weapons are on. But you want to build it up to this point with the backpack on there, the arms kind of extended out to whatever position they are, following the instructions. And that is pretty much it. Now from there, you're going to want to build the weapons together, because some of these feeds actually glue in the middle, so no big deal there. I'm not sure if these were one of them. Oh yeah, that's definitely one of them right there. So from there, you're going to want to build all that, make sure you attach the backpack, and then the second thing you're going to want to do is to start putting in magnets. So like I said, these are just 1/8 inch magnets by 1/16 N52 for that sweet attraction. And it's super easy. I think I pre-drilled out just a little bit into there, and you just want to make sure that it's flush. And the only thing you have to check, you can literally drop a magnet in there and then put the weapon itself on here with another magnet in the top, so you know if it'll kind of sit down flush, and then just kind of glue it using your polarities correctly. Now this one, there's a little bit of a gap, and I'll tell you why. Because what I didn't realize was that you want to glue this backpack down first. So I actually didn't glue this backpack down first. I kind of did this, and then I glued the backpack, and then I realized by the time all this was glued that it was slightly off. So that was kind of like my very first lesson learned doing these. This one actually fits quite nice right there. And once you get all that done, just take your same drill bit right there and just kind of drill in just a little bit till it's almost flush. And then same thing here with the grenade launcher bit. And you're gonna want to not go deep enough that you actually punch through right there. You're just gonna barely want to glaze it. So put your finger over it so you can tell when it's about to punch through. And then just check your polarity, and you're pretty much good to go right there. Now this will actually switch between the two. You might notice also that I left, actually it was this one that I did first. It was, yeah, it ends up working out, but I wasn't super happy with it, and that's why I came up with the gluing the backpack down right there. So this one, these will all fit in as well. I left the shoulder pads off because I'm actually going to use some 3D upgraded parts from PopGo's The Monkey. With some Iron Warrior stuff right there, so I haven't glued those down yet. And you can put the head in here if you want. I did it just for positioning. I can pop it out with some tweezers if I need to probably paint that separate, maybe yellow or something for my Iron Warriors. And then I also glued it down to a resin magnet base, which you can see the magnet almost visible right there, right below the surface. So what this does, it allows me to have a project box right here and work on all my stuff and have it magnetized down right there. There's some of the 3D bits I'll be using in the near future. So that's kind of about it, really. It's actually, it takes, you know, you can just be watching TV. It doesn't take too long to actually nug this out and do it for all three. But I would, you know, just make sure you get all your parts ready and prefabbed. Like I said, glue your weapon arms together and make sure the rest of the assembly is done right here. And then you can just kind of bang it out with your stack of magnets right there, just keeping your polarity straight between everything right there. But the key is to glue this down first, and then put your magnet in here, drill it out just a little bit, and then put another magnet in and make sure that this fist will fit flush over top of right here. And if that works and fits flush, you'll be able to just kind of plug it in back here, and you should be good to go at that point. So Very easy to do, and it's just gonna, take an hour or two. So that's it. Short and sweet, to the point. Another hobby tutorial out the door. More models future-proofed for my Iron Warriors Primaris army. Yes, I know it's not a real thing, but it is in my hobby world. So thank you very much for watching. If there's any other models that you would like to see, maybe how to future-proof them or magnetize them or something like that, I'm currently working on the repulsor. And we'll jump over to some of the dreadnoughts for the Primaris stuff too. So we're going to start there and kind of work our way out. But you can check our videos on all the Titans, and then definitely how to even magnetize your models to fit in the do-it-yourself storage cases that we've featured here on the channel a bunch as well. So that's it for this one. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you can be the very first to like and comment on all our videos.